You trust that full synthetic oil you're pouring into your engine is giving you the best protection, right? Well, what if I told you that when things get tough, some of the biggest names don't always perform like you'd expect? Here's the deal. Not all synthetic oils are the same. The marketing claims, flashy bottles, and confusing specs. It's a minefield. Choosing the wrong oil doesn't just waste money, it can lead to sludge, kill performance, and even speed up engine death. Today, we're cutting through that noise. We're putting 3 of the most respected oils, Amsoil, Liqui Moly, and Mobil 1 to the test. We'll see who really comes out on top. If you care about protecting your vehicle with facts, hit that subscribe button now. Over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving thousands from this info. Subscribing helps me bring you content dealers don't want you to see. The results for your daily driver, turbocharged beast, or high-mileage workhorse might surprise you. Stick around to find the winner. To find a real winner, we need to look at data and simulate the intense conditions your engine actually faces. We've built this showdown around 3 real-world scenarios. First up, the everyday hero, your daily driver. For this, we're looking for the ultimate mix of protection and value, a workhorse oil that gets the job done affordably. Second, we're turning up the heat for turbocharged engines. Turbos create insane heat that can cook weaker oils. Catastrophic failure is a risk. Here, thermal stability is everything. Finally, we'll look at the seasoned veteran, the high-mileage engine. Once a car passes 75,000 miles, seals get brittle and sludge risk goes up. We need oil that can protect and rejuvenate. For each round, we'll break down the formulas and key specs. By the end, you'll know which oil is best for you. Let's start with the car most of us drive, the commuter and family road trip warrior. You're in stop-and-go traffic. For this engine, you need no-nonsense protection and the best bang for your buck. First, you've got Amsoil. They've built a reputation on extended drain intervals, with some of their top-tier products like the Signature Series promising up to 25,000 miles. That's tempting, but it comes at a premium price. For a daily driver, that long interval can be overkill and tough to justify. Then there's Liqui Moly, the German specialist. Their oils are famous for meeting some of the world's strictest manufacturer approvals. This means you're getting an exceptionally high-quality lubricant. However, like Amsoil, it often carries a higher price tag. For a German car, it's a phenomenal option, but for your average vehicle, it might be more oil than you need for the money. And that brings us to Mobil 1. It's one of the most widely available and recognized full synthetic oils on the planet. It meets a huge range of specifications and offers different lines like their standard full synthetic and their extended performance. It delivers proven, robust protection against sludge and wear at a price that is consistently more accessible than both Amsoil and Liqui Moly. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. For the daily driver, the choice becomes pretty clear. Mobil 1 hits that perfect sweet spot, top-tier protection at a sensible price. It's the practical, smart, and effective choice for the everyday grind. Verdict for round 1. For best overall value, Mobil 1 wins. Alright, now we're stepping into the world of high performance. Turbochargers are everywhere now, from hot hatches to pickup trucks. They make more power, but they also generate a massive amount of heat. A turbo can spin at over 200,000 RPM. This can literally cook conventional oil, creating nasty deposits that can clog oil lines and lead to total failure. In this round, an oil's ability to resist breaking down under heat is non-negotiable. This is where specialized oils shine. Liqui Moly is renowned for formulating oils that excel in these demanding applications, especially for German brands like VW and BMW. Next up, Amsoil. Their synthetic base stocks are engineered for high-temperature stability, specifically to reduce oil consumption in hot turbo engines. For drivers who really push their cars, Amsoil positions itself as an elite defense against heat-induced wear. But don't write off Mobil 1. They offer specific formulas like their European car formula, which is designed precisely for high-output turbocharged engines. These oils are engineered to handle the high-heat, high-pressure environment inside modern turbos. And since it's Mobil 1, it's still usually easier to find and competitively priced. So who wins this fight? It's incredibly close. For a European turbocharged car, especially a German one, Liqui Moly is an undeniable champion. It is formulated with the DNA of those engines in mind. For a turbocharged American or Asian vehicle, Mobil 1 offers phenomenal, purpose-built protection. This isn't about one being better than the other. It's about picking the right tool for the job. This one's a toss-up based on your car. We'll give a slight edge to Liqui Moly for European turbo models, while Mobil One stands as the widely available choice for all other turbo applications. Finally, let's talk about the cars that have been around the block. Once you cross 75,000 miles, the game changes. After years of heat cycles, engine seals can get hard and brittle, which leads to leaks and oil consumption. Sludge might have already started building up. A standard synthetic oil protects, but a high-mileage oil is designed to actively fight these problems. They contain special additives, called seal conditioners, that help soften and swell old seals to stop leaks and reduce oil burn-off. Liqui Moly tackles this with a two-step approach. They offer excellent oils, and then separate additives like their motor oil saver. Amsoil also has high-mileage formulas that leverage their durable synthetic base to protect older engines, focusing on a strong oil film. But this category is where Mobil One has really carved out its territory. They have invested heavily in creating specific all-in-one solutions. Their Mobil One High Mileage and Mobil One Extended Performance high-mileage oils are purpose-built for engines over 75,000 miles. If you're someone who cares about protecting your vehicle with real facts instead of marketing hype, hit that subscribe button right now. These feature a modified formulation with a higher concentration of seal conditioners to rejuvenate aging gaskets and clean out existing sludge. For cars over 75,000 miles, Mobil One High Mileage is our top pick because its purpose-built formula addresses common aging problems in one package. If this breakdown helped you figure out what your car needs, hit that subscribe button. We're doing deep dives to help you make smarter choices. And drop a comment below. What oil are you running, and what do you drive? I'm always curious to see what the community trusts. So, after all that, who wins the war? Is it Amsoil, Liqui Moly, or Mobil One? What is the single best oil for your car? The real secret is this. The best oil is the one that meets the specific viscosity grade and manufacturer specifications listed in your owner's manual. That is the golden rule. It's the absolute non-negotiable first step. Using an expensive racing oil in an engine that just needs a standard 5W20 isn't an upgrade. It's a mistake. Once you know the spec you need, then you can use this guide to pick the brand that fits your situation. If you have a daily driver and you're looking for the best blend of performance, protection, and overall value, are testing points to Mobil One. If you drive a turbocharged car, especially a European model, and need an oil engineered for extreme heat, the smart money is on Liqui Moly. For a high-mileage vehicle with over 75,000 miles, the standout choice is Mobil One High Mileage for its specialized formula that cares for aging engines. And Amsoil? It remains a fantastic premium oil for enthusiasts who want specific benefits, like longer drain intervals, and are willing to pay the premium. So forget the hype. Open your owner's manual, find your spec, and then use this guide to choose with confidence. That is how you win the war against engine wear. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor of hitting that subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.